Welcome. Today, we're diving into the essentials of financial literacy. Managing money is more than just crunching numbers, it's about building habits and systems that help you grow wealth over time. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, understanding these core skills can set you on the path to financial security. We'll break down the 5 pillars of money management, explore practical strategies, and help you apply these lessons to your own life. Let's begin by setting the stage for your financial journey and see how each skill connects to your long-term goals. Truly master your finances, you need to focus on 5 key skills: earning, spending, saving, preserving, and investing. Each pillar plays a unique role in your financial life. Earning is your foundation, spending reflects your values, saving builds your safety net, preserving protects your progress, and investing grows your wealth. Throughout this video, we'll explore each pillar in detail, offering practical examples and actionable tips. By the end, you'll have a solid framework to manage your money with confidence and purpose. Start with earning. Your income is the engine that powers your financial life. While a steady job provides stability, true financial security often comes from diversifying your income streams. Think beyond your paycheck, consider side hustles, freelance work, or passive income sources like dividends or rental properties. The more ways you earn, the more resilient your finances become. We'll explore how to identify new opportunities and leverage your skills to create extra cash flow. Active income is money you earn through direct effort. Think salary, hourly wages, or freelance gigs. This is the most familiar type of income for most people. While it's reliable, it often requires trading your time for money. To maximize your active income, focus on building valuable skills, seeking promotions, or negotiating better pay. Remember, your earning potential grows as you invest in yourself and your career. Passive income is money that comes in with little ongoing effort. Examples include dividends from stocks, rental income from property, or royalties from creative work. Building passive income streams takes time and sometimes upfront investment, but the payoff is freedom. Your money works for you even when you're not actively working. We'll discuss how to identify and start building passive income sources that fit your lifestyle. Side hustles are a great way to boost your income outside your main job. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or offering a service, side hustles let you leverage your skills and passions for extra cash. They can also help you explore new career paths or build a business. We'll look at how to choose the right side hustle and balance it with your other commitments. Spending wisely is about more than just cutting costs, it's about aligning your money with your values. Intentional spending means making conscious choices so your outflows support what matters most to you. We'll discuss how to track your expenses, distinguish between needs and wants, and make room in your budget for the things that truly bring you joy. Budgeting is the foundation of smart spending. By tracking where every dollar goes, you gain control over your finances and can make informed decisions. Start by listing your income and expenses, then categorize them into essentials and non-essentials. Use tools or apps to help you stay on track. Remember, a budget isn't about restriction, it's about making your money work for you. Distinguishing between needs and wants is crucial for healthy spending. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and transportation. Wants are extras, dining out, entertainment, or luxury items. By clearly separating the two, you can avoid lifestyle creep and ensure your spending supports your priorities. We'll share tips for making these distinctions in your daily life. Value-based spending means cutting costs ruthlessly on things that don't matter so you can spend more on what truly does. It's not about deprivation, it's about making room for joy. For example, you might skip daily coffee runs to save for travel or invest in experiences that enrich your life. We'll explore how to identify your values and align your spending accordingly. Saving is the bridge between earning and investing. It's about building a buffer that lets you handle life's surprises and seize new opportunities. The most effective strategy is to pay yourself first, set aside savings before you spend. We'll discuss how to automate your savings and set clear goals for your future. Automating your savings is one of the simplest ways to build wealth. Set up a transfer to your savings account the moment your paycheck arrives. This way, saving becomes effortless and consistent. Over time, even small amounts add up. We'll show you how to set up automation and make saving a habit you don't have to think about. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a separate account. This fund protects you from unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Having this cushion gives you peace of mind and keeps you from dipping into long-term savings or going into debt when life throws a curveball. Sinking funds are savings set aside for specific future goals like a vacation, a new car, or holiday gifts. By planning ahead and saving a little each month, you can cover these expenses without stress or debt. We'll discuss how to set up sinking funds and make them part of your regular budgeting routine. Preserving wealth means protecting what you've already built. This involves guarding your assets from risks like taxes, inflation, and poor management. By taking steps to preserve your wealth, you ensure your hard work continues to pay off in the future. We'll look at strategies for asset protection, inflation awareness, and maintaining your investments. Asset protection involves using insurance and legal structures to safeguard your wealth. This could mean insuring your home, car, or business, or setting up trusts and other legal entities. The goal is to minimize the impact of unexpected events and keep your assets secure for the long term. We'll explore the basics of asset protection and how to get started. Inflation erodes the value of cash over time. If your money isn't growing, it's actually shrinking in purchasing power. Being aware of inflation means looking for ways to make your savings and investments outpace rising costs. We'll we'll discuss how to protect your wealth from inflation and why it's important to keep your money working for you. Maintaining your physical assets like real estate, vehicles, or equipment is key to preserving their value. Regular upkeep prevents costly repairs and helps your investments last longer. We'll share tips for creating a maintenance schedule and making sure your assets stay in top shape. Investing is about making your money work for you. Instead of trading time for money, you put your resources into assets that grow over time. Investing can help you build wealth, achieve financial independence, and reach your long-term goals. We'll cover the basics of compound interest, risk tolerance, and asset allocation to get you started. Compound interest is the snowball effect where your earnings generate even more earnings over time. The earlier you start investing, the more powerful this effect becomes. Even small, regular contributions can grow significantly thanks to compounding. We'll show you how compound interest works and why it's a cornerstone of wealth building. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial when investing. Some investments offer high returns but come with higher risks, while others are safer but grow more slowly. Knowing your comfort level helps you choose the right mix of investments and avoid panic during market ups and downs. We'll discuss how to assess your risk tolerance and build a portfolio that fits your needs. Asset allocation means spreading your money across different types of investments like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This strategy helps you manage risk and maximize returns. By diversifying, you avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. We'll explain how to create a balanced portfolio that supports your financial goals. Let's focus on the engine of your financial plan, earning and saving. By combining strategies for increasing your income with disciplined saving habits, you create a powerful foundation for wealth. We'll discuss how to pay yourself first and explore new ways to boost your income, setting you up for long-term success. Paying yourself first means treating savings like a non-negotiable expense. Before you spend on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings or investments. This simple habit ensures you always make progress toward your goals no matter what. We'll share practical tips for making this strategy work for you. Expanding your income isn't just about working more hours. Look for opportunities to use your skills in new ways, freelancing, consulting, or starting a small business. Passive income sources like investments or rental properties can also add to your financial engine. We'll help you brainstorm ideas and take the first steps toward new income streams. Now, let's look at the strategy behind spending and investing. Building a budget that funds your long-term goals means making intentional choices every day. By aligning your spending with your values and investing for the future, you create a plan that supports both your present and your dreams. A budget is more than a list of numbers, it's a tool for achieving your dreams. Start by setting clear goals, then allocate your money to support those priorities. Track your progress regularly and adjust as needed. We'll walk you through the steps to create a budget that actually works for you. Once your budget is in place, it's time to fund your investments. Decide how much you can set aside each month for stocks, bonds, or other assets. Automate your contributions to make investing effortless. Over time, these regular investments can grow into significant wealth. We'll show you how to get started, even with small amounts. Investing is all about the long game. Set clear, achievable goals for your future, whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or funding your children's education. Break these goals into smaller milestones and celebrate your progress along the way. We'll help you map out your long-term vision and stay motivated. Preserving your wealth is just as important as building it. This means protecting your assets from risks like taxes, inflation, and unexpected events. By putting the right safeguards in place, you ensure your hard work continues to pay off for years to come. We'll explore practical steps to keep your wealth safe. Insurance is a key part of asset protection. Health, home, auto, and life insurance all play a role in shielding you from financial loss. Review your coverage regularly to make sure it fits your needs. We'll discuss the basics of insurance and how to choose the right policies for your situation. Legal structures like trusts, LLCs, or corporations can help protect your assets and manage your wealth. These tools can offer tax benefits, limit liability, and ensure your assets are passed on according to your wishes. We'll introduce the basics of legal structures and when to consider them. Financial plans aren't set in stone. Life changes and your plan should evolve with it. Review your goals, budget, and investments regularly. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track and respond to new opportunities or challenges. We'll share tips for keeping your plan flexible and effective. As you work through these skills, ask yourself guiding questions. What are your financial goals? Where can you increase your income? How can you align your spending with your values? Do you have enough saved for emergencies? Are your assets protected? These questions help you apply the concepts to your own life and make meaningful progress. Putting these skills into practice is where real change happens. Start small, pick one area to focus on, like tracking your spending or automating your savings. As you build momentum, add new habits and strategies. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress and keep learning. Everyone makes mistakes on their financial journey. Common pitfalls include overspending, neglecting savings, or taking on too much risk. The key is to learn from setbacks and adjust your approach. We'll highlight some frequent mistakes and how to avoid them so you can stay on track. Good financial habits are the backbone of lasting success. Automate your savings, review your budget regularly, and keep learning about money management. Small, consistent actions add up over time. We'll share tips for building habits that stick and support your financial goals. Tracking your progress keeps you motivated and accountable. Use apps, spreadsheets, or journals to monitor your income, spending, and savings. Celebrate milestones and adjust your plan as needed. We'll show you simple ways to track your financial journey and stay inspired. You don't have to go it alone. Seek support from mentors, financial advisors, or trusted friends. Sharing your goals and challenges can provide accountability and fresh perspectives. We'll discuss how to build a support network that helps you stay on track and reach your financial goals. Staying motivated on your financial journey can be tough, especially when progress feels slow. Set short-term goals, reward yourself for achievements, and remind yourself of your why. We'll share strategies for keeping your motivation high and your eyes on the prize. Life is unpredictable and your financial plan should be flexible. Be ready to adapt to changes like a new job, family additions, or unexpected expenses. Regularly review your plan and make adjustments as needed. We'll offer tips for staying resilient and proactive in the face of change. Celebrate your financial wins, big or small. Reaching a savings goal, paying off debt, or sticking to your budget are all achievements worth recognizing. Celebrating keeps you motivated and reinforces good habits. We'll share ideas for marking your progress and enjoying the journey. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey. Stay curious and keep learning. Read books, take courses, or follow trusted experts. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions. We'll recommend resources to help you continue growing your financial knowledge. Now you have a roadmap for building financial literacy: earning, spending, saving, preserving, and investing. Each step builds on the last, creating a strong foundation for your future. Remember, progress takes time, but every action you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay committed, keep learning, and watch your wealth grow. Congratulations on taking the first steps toward financial literacy. Remember, managing money is about building habits, making intentional choices, and staying flexible as life changes. Review these 5 pillars regularly and keep applying what you learn. Your financial future is in your hands. Start today and keep moving forward.